Hello, I'm Robert Todd, and I'm here to talk about how to make their insurance company pay your injury claim. Well, to begin with, if you don't do this for a living, I'm going to strongly recommend that you hire a personal injury attorney who does this every day. The personal injury attorney is not going to charge you anything for the initial consultation fee, and generally the fee arrangement is going to be based on a contingency, meaning that unless that personal injury attorney is successful in obtaining a claim for you, you're not going to pay anything. And if you do, it's going to be a percentage of what is actually recovered. The personal injury attorney knows how to contact the insurance company, how to get them to know that he or she means business, and that if they don't settle voluntarily, that a lawsuit will be filed and ultimately a judgment obtained for your claim. I'm Robert Todd, and that's how to make their insurance company pay your injury claim. Thank you for watching.